Choosing the right model of shoes and the right size is extremely important. When you choose the right shoe, it's like walking on air. And the opposite happens if you choose the wrong model or the wrong size. From minor discomforts to severe foot injuries. In specific categories suffer more than others. I have two daughters, 8 and 4. As a parent, sometimes you do not realize that the foot can outgrow the shoe, and these can lead to severe discomfort or even foot deformities in the future. Finding the right shoe is really difficult. Every foot is unique. Shoes are not. Unfortunately or fortunately, one size does not fit all. This is where SafeSize comes to play. The problems in the industry are faced by different stakeholders. When it comes to consumers, what we see is that consumers are not comfortable in the shoes that they're wearing. Footwear retailers know nothing about the consumers that are entering the stores. They do not have any information about their preferences. Every brand has different size ranges, and therefore it's very difficult to select the right model and the right size when buying online. When we look at the footwear industry, as humanity, I think we can do better. We're producing more than what we need, we're producing less relevant shoes, and we're wasting a lot of them. What we try to do at SafeSize is change the entire consumer journey when it comes to buying shoes. We envision that we can produce less and more relevant shoes, and we can help consumers buy in a much more convenient, user-friendly way, but also shoes that are more relevant for them and better fit, both in terms of model and in terms of size.
One of the biggest advantages SafeSize offer is the modularity of our system. It's very simple, it's like an iPhone and the software. So the iPhone is our hardware, it's the scanner and the screen. It's always the same, but the magic starts with the software.
At SafeSize, we believe in omnichannel retail. And as such, we have built the most comprehensive product suite of in-store and online solutions for fit recommendation for footwear. In the in-store side, we have a solution called ScanMate 3D, which is a scanner that captures and reconstructs the feet of our customers. For online, we have a product called FitMate. And FitMate exists of a couple of components. One is Sizer. Sizer, we can use the scan that was made in the store, or actually on your mobile as well, to give the customer size recommendation. Then we have shoe to shoe, where you basically ask for a reference shoe, a shoe you already have and you like, to get a size recommendation. And this you can do based on a questionnaire where you ask, what product do you have in the closet? Or you can do this based on past purchases. What did you buy before with that retailer? Another one is a mobile scanning app, so that you can scan your feet anywhere and anytime on your own by using your mobile with an app on iOS or Android. And last but not least, we have also a sport shoe finder, which helps you to find the right sport shoe for the sports you want to exercise.
The retailer collects a lot of data, and you get more information about how often people are running, how often they do sports, what is their weight. On the other side, more important is that you create also return of investments. You generate 50 to 70% higher conversion rates if somebody using the scanner. You upgrade your average price point per running shoe, for example, by 30–35%. I think this is really hard facts, and this is what makes our solution for a retailer very attractive.
Now let's look at our algorithms. We have functional algorithms and sizing algorithms. So how to recommend the right shoe and how to recommend the right size. Now if we talk about the fitting algorithm, how does the inner dimensions of a shoe fit with the outer dimensions of the foot? And this is different for men, women, for kids, and also for different functions. If you, for example, have a running shoe versus if you have a high heel, obviously the fit will be different. So we need to capture that difference in fit into the algorithm. We capture personal preference and feedback to make sure that we can personalize the advice we give to you. And then let's not forget kids. We have developed a growth simulator that looks at the gender and age, and what's then the speed of growth you can expect for that child.
Imagine the shoes that are overproduced, ending up in landfills. imagine shoes that are produced in the Far East to travel all the way to the central warehouses of the shoe brands, to the central warehouses of the retailers, to come into our homes and then end up being returned and eventually wasted and not recycled. At SafeSize, we are foolish optimists. We believe we can change the world. We have a vision to transform the way shoes are produced, sold, and discarded. And we believe through technology and data, we can make the whole footwear industry a more modern and more convenient industry that is better for consumers, retailers, shoe brands, and the planet. I believe that in the future, consumers will have their own SafeSize ID, and with that, they would be able to buy the right shoe for their needs at the right size, buy it either in physical stores or online, and eventually, we really believe that we will start building fully custom shoes, so everyone will have their own size rather than a generic size 45 or 43 as we have today. So I'm looking forward to the size Angelos or size Kiveli, which is my daughter, or size Elisa, because every foot is unique and shoes should accommodate the needs of every single person.